hustle standard. Battle test. Come at me, bro. We can't lose. Black door man. We can't lose. It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. From the sidewalk to the stars. I'm never gonna settle. Watch out. I'm getting upset. I'm kinda pissed I don't feel my legs.
Can't go down. Got another one. We got one to run.
Can't wait to see what happens next, boy. Cause I'm new and I'm improved. You can bet on this. I can't lose. I'm bigger than real life from HD.
Don't cluster up. Don't cluster up.
It's widescreen. Hold on to my breath. It's the last one I got left. From the
Those are enemies.
sidewalk to the stars. I'm never gonna settle. Hold on to my
Hit one. Can't go down.
Hold on to my breath. Hold on to my breath.
Nice shooting.
What's up, Marty Poppins got that dummy rap. Running circles, ran you on my final lap. What you think of that? I'm a thundercat. I reign from now till the church puts me under that. Sneaking out the side door, can't use the entrance. Is this real life or David at the dentist screaming? Run, tell that.
Hey guys, we got
boy,
another 4
I'm
guys
next
on the
level.
left.
I'm Mike Tyson in the booth. I'm the devil.
Hold on to my breath. It's the last one I got left. From the sidewalk to the stars. I'm never gonna
Guys, move to the left.
hold on to my breath. Hold on to my breath. Hold on to my breath. I'm never gonna settle. Watch out! Pop, get. Watch out! Pop.
Rob Bailey. What you think of that?
I can't lose. Watch out! I'm getting upset. I can't lose. Watch out!
Bang, we did enemy team. Sorry. Hit that though. Blind firing.